Hello everyone. So the homework is page 259 to 260, number 15 through 19 odd, and I'm going to be working on sample problem number 19. Okay, so let's take a look at number 19. Number 19, the direction says write the equation of each parabola in vertex form. Okay, so we're given this parabola, and our job is writing the equation in vertex form that represents this parabola. Notice that we have a vertex of -3, -2, and we have a random point, -2, 4. Okay, so let's get started on that. Number 19. Okay, so before we do, what is our general form for the vertex? General vertex form. It is y is equal to ax minus h squared plus k. That is our general form, okay? So notice that number 19, our vertex is -3, -2. And what is our -3, -2 value in terms of our vertex form? It will just be our h and k values. So we could plug h and k into the original equation. Okay, so let's do that. So we have y is equal to ax minus a -3 squared minus 2. So this is our h and this is our k value. Okay, and let's simplify that. So we get y is equal to ax plus 3 squared minus 2. So we're almost there. Problem is we don't know what a is. So how do we find a? Well, if we could plot a point for x and y, then we can solve for a. And the graph tells us that you can. There's another point if you look at the graph that has a point that says -2, 4. So we have a point. So I'll just put on the side. We have another point down there that the coordinate is -2 and 4. And what is -2? That is our x value, and 4, that's our y value. So we can actually plug these points into this equation, and let's see if we can solve for a. So let's do that. So we have y. What is y? Y in this case is 4. So 4 is equal to a, and what is our x value? -2. -2 plus 3 squared minus 2. Notice that we can now solve for a. -2 plus 3 is 1. 1 squared is 1. So we have 4 is equal to a times 1 minus 2. So let's get a by itself. So we're going to add 2 to both sides. We end up with 6 is equal to a, because 1 times a is just a. So 6 is equal to a. So we have our a value now. Once we get that, we can go back, plug it into our a, and we have our equation. So y is equal to 6x plus 3 squared minus 2. And that is the equation of our parabola in vertex form. So if you have any questions, please let me know tomorrow, okay? And have a good night, everyone.